guys, it's Jewelyn. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to this casual Daiso Japan haul. Thumbs up the video if you guys been to a Daiso Japan before. There's lots of locations and I so happenly to live next to one about 2 miles from me on Sawtelle Boulevard in West Los Angeles. And this store is pretty much heaven. Everything in the store is $1.50 unless it's marked priced up, which can be around $4 or so, but everything in this store is so cute. It's a Japanese like Dollar General store, but $1.50. I always like to go into the store from time to time and I always walk out with a bunch of stuff that maybe I need and a lot of stuff that I want. So before I go ahead and open everything up and use them, I wanted to go ahead and do this casual haul before I go ahead and use them, which I probably will tonight. So the first thing I want to share with you guys is things that I got for my bullet journal. And I am going to attempt to do a bullet journal because I do so many things. You guys watch my social medias, my vlog channel, and this main channel. You know I do everything from plants, Pilates, dance. I work and live in 2 different states. And I have a lot of hobbies. So I'm going to do the bullet journal organization setup system, so we'll see how it goes. I've been working on it from yesterday, which is kind of late, but I've been ordering a lot of things off of Amazon and it's taking a while, but I wanted to go ahead and show you what I have that I thought would be perfect for bullet journaling. And I always like to experiment with different things and see if I like it or not. So the first thing that I got is a ruler set, and this one was $1.50 for 2, so I thought that was such a good deal. Also, you know, if I want to go ahead and do a line across of both sides of the bullet journal, then I can just kind of lay it flat and use it that way. When I was trying to bullet journal today, I was having a hard time with my lines, and I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and invest in a ruler at Daiso Japan because I know they're inexpensive and they're cute. And so I ended up picking up these 2, and they're so super cute. If you look here, there's strawberries and grapes on it, and supposedly it's scented, and it actually is. This one is grape, and this one is strawberry, but not so much strawberry. I wonder if you scratch it. No, I can. Anyway, $1.50 for 2 of them. Super cute. I'm going to be using this for bullet journaling, and obviously this is probably something that I'm going to keep on my desk at home because it's not travel friendly size, but perfect for bullet journaling, and I absolutely love that. Another thing that I got for bullet journaling, and this is something that I wanted to experiment on. I do have the zebra mild liners coming in the mail. I think it's going to arrive on Saturday in Las Vegas, but I wanted to go ahead and just try these highlighters out. It's a package of 4 and for $1.50, and you can either have a 1.3 tip or a 3.5 tip, so either thin or thick. And I'm kind of interested to see if it's any good. I mean, for $1.50, why not try it out? If anything, I may go ahead and highlight first before writing anything over it versus writing like a ballpoint pen on it and then highlighting over this, because I don't know if it's any good or not. I can always do a test on it, but I don't want to ruin the tips of these highlighters. So as you can see, there's a dual tip on there, and there's several ways to use this highlighter. So I don't know, I wanted to give it a try. As you can see, there are 4 light colors here, and I said, why not? Let's try it out. And then moving along to other things that I got in here. So first thing, let's talk about this. I got this cute little pitcher, and the reason why I got it was for fertilizing my plants, which I'm going to be doing probably this week. So I wanted to go ahead and just experiment to see how this would work out, fertilizing my plants in my whole collection. And I thought it was super cute because, as you can see, let me take all of this stuff out. It is designed with tons of different flowers on it, so I thought it would be perfect for my garden theme. And I think it'll be easy for me to shake up the fertilizer in here, add water, and let it dilute, and then feed my plants this way. I don't know, I thought it was cute. It's $1.50, so I ended up getting that. Couple more things here. I got peach jellies. I don't think I've had this one before. I always walk out the store with some kind of Japanese candy. Peach flavor is one of my favorite Japanese flavored candies, but let's see if this is any good. Whoa, this is really good. This is dangerous. I probably could eat the whole bag. No joke. I ended up picking up the 2 last bags on the shelf, and I'm glad I did. It's dangerous. Alright guys, the last thing I'm going to talk about is another bullet journal related item, and it's a ruler set. And I thought this was perfect to keep in my work bag, my dance bag. Anytime I have a moment when I'm out of the house, I can go ahead and bust this little guy out and add lines or designs to my bullet journal. So it comes with a cute little case for $1.50. And let's see how many rulers. Oh, look at this. So it comes with 4 rulers. You have a small ruler, which is perfect for traveling or when I'm out and about working. And then we have 2 angled. Okay, I see. There's a triangle here, and then there's an angled ruler here, and then a half a circle ruler here. So I like this. I can do like a 180 thing, and I can do tons of designs, but I think this was perfect for me to carry around, and it's like perfect size. It's almost like as small as the bullet journal, a little bit smaller. And by the way, I did see that they did have a dotted A5 bullet journal there, but the paper was on the thin side. I wanted to go ahead and just pick it up because it's only $4 and the cover was really cute. But I was like, Jewelyn, like, what are you thinking? You can buy more pens with that. You could buy a Tombow pen maybe with that. And I was like, okay, put it down. You don't need it. Just stick with the bullet journal you have. And I've been kind of frustrated with my bullet journal setup when I was doing it last night in the dark, because last night all of my electricity went out except for my lights above my kitchen window. I don't know why, but that's what happened last night. All of a sudden at 7 p.m. I was in the dark. Besides my patio garden lights and my lights above my kitchen window, everything else wasn't working. So I was bullet journaling in the dark, which is probably not a good idea. Anyway, I wanted to go ahead and share with you guys all of the cute things that I got. Just a cute little small, simple, but fun Daiso Japan haul. If you guys love Daiso Japan, or if you guys love watching me share with you all the things that I get when I do these little shopping trips, then definitely let me know in the comments below. That's about it. I'm gonna wrap up the video here. I may do some planting. I did plant my peperomia cutting earlier today. And that's it guys, super low-key day. I'm gonna finish up dinner, feed Evie, and get some bullet journaling done and maybe edit a video. But I wanted to go ahead and share this haul with you guys. I'll see you guys soon. You can find more on my blog at ilovejewelyn.blogspot.com. Until next time, aloha, bye!